Ask someone to help you. Ask someone to help you. សូមនរណាម្នាក់ឲ្យជួយអ្នក I wish I could help you. I wish I could help you. ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាខ្ញុំអាចជួយអ្នកបាន I have a lot of marbles. I have a lot of marbles. ខ្ញុំមានថ្មកែវច្រើនណាស់ We enjoy the trip too. We enjoy the trip too. ពួកយើងក៏រីករាយនឹងដំណើរកម្សាន្តដែរ We had pizza for dinner. We had pizza for dinner. ពួកយើងញ៉ាំភីហ្សាសម្រាប់អាហារពេលល្ងាច Our street is very wide. Our street is very wide. ផ្លូវរបស់ពួកយើងធំទូលាយណាស់ Fill the tub with water. Fill the tub with water. ដាក់ទឹកក្នុងធុង She is our school nurse. She is our school nurse. នាងជាគិលានុបដ្ឋាយិកានៅសាលារបស់ពួកយើង He can act like a clown. He can act like a clown. គាត់អាចសម្ដែងដូចជាត្លុកបាន She is taller than I am. She is taller than I am. នាងខ្ពស់ជាងខ្ញុំ The donkey has big ears. The donkey has big ears. សត្វលាមានត្រចៀកធំ The lion is in the cage. The lion is in the cage. សត្វតោនៅក្នុងទ្រុង Will you bring it to me? Will you bring it to me? តើអ្នកនឹងយកវាខ្ញុំទេ I plan to go to college. I plan to go to college. ខ្ញុំមានគម្រោងទៅមហាវិទ្យាល័យ The grass is dark green. The grass is dark green. ស្មៅមានពណ៌បៃតងចាស់ The owl is a night bird. The owl is a night bird. សត្វទីទុយជាសត្វដែលរកស៊ីពេលយប់ The box is full of toys. The box is full of toys. ក្នុងប្រអប់ពេញទៅដោយរបស់លេង I like to feed the baby. I like to feed the baby. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តបញ្ចុកក្មេងពាក្យ feed ហ្នឹងយើងអាចនិយាយថាឲ្យចំណីអាហារបញ្ចុកចិញ្ចឹមវាមានន័យច្រើន Who told you that story? Who told you that story? នរណាប្រាប់អ្នករឿងនោះ Let's go down the slide. Let's go down the slide. តោះសម្រូតចុះក្រោម slide ហ្នឹងឧបករណ៍គេជិះលេងសម្រូតហ្នឹងគេហៅ slide. How many days in a week? How many days in a week? តើមួយសប្តាហ៍មានប៉ុន្មានថ្ងៃ She is very nice girl. She is very nice girl. នាងជាមនុស្សស្រីល្អណាស់ I like to write stories. I like to write stories. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តសរសេររឿង I awake at 6 a.m. I awake at 6 a.m. ខ្ញុំភ្ញាក់នៅម៉ោង 6 ព្រឹក Don't forget to call me. Don't forget to call me. កុំភ្លេចហៅខ្ញុំ I give my dog a biscuit. I give my dog a biscuit. ខ្ញុំឲ្យនំ biscuit ទៅឆ្កែរបស់ខ្ញុំ We live in a small farm. We live in a small farm. ពួកយើងរស់នៅក្នុងកសិដ្ឋានតូចមួយ We live in a small town. We live in a small town. ពួកយើងរស់នៅក្នុងក្រុងតូចមួយ The cat's claw is sharp. The cat's claw is sharp. ក្រញាំឆ្មាគឺមុត Do not go into the cave. Do not go into the cave. កុំចូលក្នុងរូងភ្នំ I give my dog a big hug. I give my dog a big hug. ខ្ញុំអបឆ្កែរបស់ខ្ញុំ She is very old lady. She is very old lady. នាងជាស្ត្រីចំណាស់ You need some dry soap. You need some dry socks. អ្នកត្រូវការស្រោមជើងស្ងួតខ្លះ I bought a new pen. I bought a new pen. ខ្ញុំបានទិញផ្ទះថ្មីមួយ He fell out of the tree. He fell out of the tree. គាត់ធ្លាក់ពីលើដើមឈើ She is a famous actress. She is a famous actress. នាងជាតារាសម្ដែងស្រីដ៏ល្បីម្នាក់ I don't fear the night. I don't fear the night. ខ្ញុំមិនខ្លាចពេលយប់ទេ Be kind to your friends. Be kind to your friends. ត្រូវល្អជាមួយមិត្តភក្តិរបស់អ្នក She will accept the job. She will accept the job. នាងនឹងទទួលយកការងារ I pour coffee in my mug. I pour coffee in my mug. ខ្ញុំចាក់កាហ្វេចូលក្នុងកែវរបស់ខ្ញុំ Honey tastes very sweet. Honey tastes very sweet. ទឹកឃ្មុំមានរសជាតិផ្អែមណាស់ We took a shortcut home. We took a shortcut home. ពួកខ្ញុំមកផ្ទះតាមផ្លូវកាត់ Did you scrub your ears? Did you scrub your ears? តើអ្នកបានជូតត្រចៀករបស់អ្នកទេ You seem so quiet today. You seem so quiet today. អ្នកដូចជាស្ងៀមស្ងាត់ណាស់ថ្ងៃនេះ The dolphin is a mammal. The dolphin is a mammal. ត្រីផ្សោតជាថនិកសត្វ The lizard is reptile. The lizard is a reptile. ជីងចក់ជាសត្វល្មូន Most women like to shop. Most women like to shop. ស្ត្រីភាគច្រើនចូលចិត្តទិញអីវ៉ាន់ The plane lands safely. The plane lands safely. យន្តហោះចុះចតដោយសុវត្ថិភាព I am an ordinary person. I am an ordinary person. ខ្ញុំជាមនុស្សធម្មតាម្នាក់ I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. ខ្ញុំមិនយល់ស្របជាមួយអ្នកទេ My keyboard is broken. My keyboard is broken. ក្តារចុចរបស់ខ្ញុំខូច He is refusing the work. He is refusing the work. គាត់កំពុងបដិសេធការងារ The fruit is very juicy. The fruit is very juicy. ផ្លែឈើមានរសជាតិណាស់ Juicy ហ្នឹងបានន័យថាមានឱជារសមានរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់អញ្ចឹងណា It's bound to rain soon. It's bound to rain soon. នឹងមានភ្លៀងធ្លាក់ក្នុងពេលឆាប់ៗនេះ Don't distort the truth. Don't distort the truth កុំបំភ្លៃការពិត The kitten is adorable The kitten is adorable កូនឆ្មាគួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់ You deserve a pay raise You deserve a pay raise អ្នកសមនឹងទទួលបានការដំឡើងប្រាក់ខែ Is your writing legible Is your writing legible តើការសរសេររបស់អ្នកអាចមើលដាច់ទេសរសេរទៅគេមើលយល់ឬអត់ចឹងណាការសរសេររបស់យើងនឹងវា eligible ឬអត់ She betrayed our secret She's betrayed our secret នាងក្បត់រឿងអាថ៌កំបាំងរបស់ពួកយើង Please define your idea Please define your idea សូមបញ្ជាក់ពីគំនិតរបស់អ្នកច្បាស់លាស់ Walk in a straight line Walk in a straight line ដើរឲ្យត្រង់ជួរ How tall is the pyramid How tall is the pyramid តើពីរ៉ាមីតមានកម្ពស់ប៉ុន្មាន My uncle is a physicist My uncle is a physicist ពូរបស់ខ្ញុំជាអ្នករូបវិទ្យា